Today, guys, we're going to talk about something different here. It's not just your ordinary tablet. It's a 3D tablet. And this one is called the Nubia Pad 3D by ZTE, and it's now in 3D. So I guess you're excited. How about let's open it? So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Nubia Pad 3D. Ang laki niya, no? It's just like the size of my iPad na Pro version na 12.9. This one is sporting a 12.4-inch na IPS LCD. And it's quite huge, to be honest with you. And ito ang packaging niya when you open the box. So, tingnan muna natin what's inside the box. Inside, we have a warranty card, a user guide, and a C2C cable. And the other box is just some silica gel. I wonder what this is for. Now, since this package doesn't come together with a charging brick, I suggest you try to get one of these from Ugreen. This one is a 100 watts of GaN fast charger from Ugreen. So it supports 4 ports over here, 3 USB-C port and 1 USB-A port. It's quite light and it's so easy to pack away, and you can even charge your laptop should you need it. Link on the description below. Let's try to open this tab. So this is how it looks like when you put it up. So right now, let me take you for a quick tour. So up front, we have two 8MP front-facing camera to make it 3D. At the bottom, we have some terminals used for expansion in the future. At the bottom, we have 2 loudspeakers and of course your USB Type-C port. On the side, we have your power button, volume rocker, your microphones, and of course your micro SD expansion up to 1 terabyte. And on top, we have 2 more speakers. And this is how it looks like at the back. This is a gunmetal finish, and of course, it looks really cool. And this one has a brushed aluminum metal finish. And at the back, we have dual 16MP camera to make it 3D effect. Now, taking a look at the interface, everything's purple here, and it looks really nice. And this is not your ordinary tablet, like I told you. And when you swipe it up, here are everything that you can find. And when you swipe it up, all of your apps are here, hidden inside. So we have your Google Play Store ready. First of all, of course, I want to show you the Leia cam. So when you take a photo, and guys, I'll get it in 3D. Actually, it's hard for me to show it here, pero here on my point of view, 3D siya. Ang ganda ng tingnan. And actually taking a photo of myself, actually 3D din nakita ko dito, no. Mabilis lang siya, no. Roughly mga 3 seconds lang rendering ng 3D, then mawawala na siya. Nakita na guys, 3D yung effect niya. So that's for the Leia cam. Meron siyang Leia Pics dito. So meron din siya dito Leia Chat. So what this does is pwede ka mag-chat in 3D. Now, you can chat with other people on the other side, like naka-iPhone siya, naka-Huawei, Samsung, okay lang. Pero ikaw lang makakapag-enjoy ng 3D dahil ikaw lang meron ng dual camera. So, na-enjoy mo yung 3D while you're talking to someone. But yung sa kabila, hindi nila ma-enjoy kasi you need this tablet to enjoy yung 3D effect. Dito naman sa Leia Pics, you have the choice to share your photos dito. It's just like parang Instagram siya, no, for sharing 3D na photos, which is kind of cool. Then we also have the Leia Flix dito na pwede mo manood mga films na ito in 3D animation, which is definitely a breathtaking na experience. Then we have the Leia Tube dito na which lets you watch yung mga parang YouTube siya, no, ng nito ZTE Nubia. To let you watch 3D na videos, which is for sure mama-maximize mo tong tablet na ito for its purpose. Then we have the Leia Player, which lets you play some of these videos na naka 3D, no? Like this one and this one. Mga naka-store na mga 3D. Ang ganda nila, no? This is probably one of the best na tablet na you don't need a 3D glass to be able to view. The last time that I was able to play with something like this, yung technology na ganun na, is the Nintendo 3DS, which lets you play yung game na parang mala 3D without wearing yung 3D glasses. So yan, kita na yung mga 3D, which is really cool, no? Diba? It's a little bit hard to show you dito sa aking camera, but in actual, ang ganda na dito. So, parang pwede mo siya i-grab yung mga parang it's really true to life siya. Ang ganda tingnan talaga. And what's nice hindi siya nakakahilo rin tingnan. No? There are sometimes mga 3D o images na nakakahilo, but this one, I assure you na okay siya. Hindi siya nakakahilo. So this one is a Leia frame which turns your tablet into a picture frame. Ang ganda nito, no, is parang nagsa-slideshow siya ng different photos mo in 3D animation. And pwede mo i-set, no, 6 seconds, 20 seconds, depende sa gusto ninyo, no. Which for me, it's really nice. So ito naman Leia viewer. So what you can do here is simply open yung mga object or siguro kung may na-render kayo, and you can check its 360 degree, which is very nice, very unique para sa isang tablet, no. So you can, I guess pwede ka gumawa ng mga rendering ng mga 3D na object dito before you print it on your 3D printer, which for sure would be very helpful. One is the Leia App Store, so lahat ng mga apps mo is nandito. Now, itong tablet na ito, you can do everything here. You can use your Google Maps, your Gmail. Lahat is really ready dito sa kanya. Google Drive. And yeah, it's just like a normal laptop with really nice function for 3D. Now, itong tablet na ito is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. I wish sana ginawa na nilang Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 8 Plus Gen 1 para at least medyo mas powerful. Pero alam naman natin tablet, you don't really need those super duper powerful processor to be able to use it. But Snapdragon 888 is still okay for me. And by the way, guys, this tablet has a 9,070 mAh of battery, and it can support up to 33 watts of fast charging. So quite massive ang battery nito tablet ito. It can last you for a whole day without charging. As long as you use it moderately, hindi ka into heavy gaming dito sa tablet ito, walang problema, one whole day. Kaya-kaya na tagal. So guys, if you're looking for a different type of experience using a tablet na may 3D function, this one is definitely a nice one. ZTE Nubia Pad 3D. And pwede nito mabili sa Shopee Philippines. I'll be linking on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.